So this is a loading technique to the back part of the arm, roughly where the shoulder moves to where the elbow bends, this back area. You're going to need a ball and you're going to place it on the floor. So there's two different techniques you can use. The first is the seek and destroy. Place the ball on that area that you're going to cover. I'm starting right now at my elbow and then I'm slowly going up towards my shoulder. Once I find a sensitive area, then I'm going to hold it down. If I don't, then I can actually twist my arm inward or twist my arm outward. That gives you other variations on where you can work. Once I find a sensitive area, I'm going to hold it there. I'm going to take a breath in, relax my arm, my forearm on the floor, and take a breath in, and exhale. When I exhale, I'm going to try to apply a little bit more weight into it so it melts. Once it desensitizes and melts, then you can progress to another area. So again, I'm going to find an area, going towards my elbow this time, turning in, turning out until I find a sensitive spot, which is roughly about there. I'm going to rest my forearm and hand onto the floor. I'm going to take a breath in, and when I exhale, I'm going to try to apply a little bit more weight and wait until it desensitizes. Once that desensitizes, then I can progress. The second method I can use is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find an area that needs to be worked on. I'm going to find a sensitive spot, start at my elbow, go down towards my shoulder, or start at my shoulder and go towards my elbow. I can twist in, my arm inward, I can twist my bicep outward. Wherever it's most sensitive, I'm going to hold that position. Once I find the spot that's sensitive, I'm going to hold it there and pin it down. Then I'm going to stretch it out by bending the elbow. I'm going to bend the elbow. If I can, I'm going to use that other arm to help assist it up a little bit more as far as I can go, holding that position until it melts and desensitizes. I'm going to find another spot, going towards my shoulder, in, twist in and out. I feel it more there. And then I'm going to bend my elbow, assisting it with the other hand and holding it there until it melts and desensitizes.